Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna build a AFK machine, AFK grinding machine in Buildabot. Also guys, make sure to join my group in Roblox group. Link is in the description. I'm selling my new merch. As you can see, it's limited edition, 500 Robux. It costs 500 Robux. Make sure to check out my group and buy this shirt. This is really cool. I just made it in Photoshop. Yeah, it's cool. So make sure to check out my group, guys. So let's start with the video.
You better love me again. You better love me again.
Okay, guys. First, let's start with the requirements. You need a property tool, uh, a a binding tool, means wrench and screwdriver. These are must. You need to have those two to set to build this. No setup on build. And the paint tool and scale tool are optional. You can buy those, but work will be done quickly. With the scale tool, the work will be done quickly, and with the paint tool, uh, and you need to grind a bit for 4K. This one you need to buy this pack, and then this car pack. You need to buy those all. The scale tool and paint tool are optional. You can buy those or you can leave those. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do? Take a old wheel from the starting. Take a old wheel and place it right here. Just right here. If you turn on isolation mode, it should be like this. If you turn on isolation mode, then it should be like this. To turn on isolation mode, go to settings, menu, settings, and isolation mode. I already turned it on. So okay. Now what you need to do? Take a plastic block. Also guys, you need plastic blocks. 50 of this means 300 golds. You need to start at the starting. You need to grind a bit, but later you don't need to grind. Also, you think I'm a noob. You think I'm a noob, right? I only have 20 Robux. No, 20 gold. No, I just spend all my gold on this this one 2K blocks, round off 2000 blocks. I spend all of this gold, all of my 6K gold on this. Okay, let's build. So once you place the wheel, then you need to place an plastic block. Okay guys, once you place your block right here, you need to place 50 blocks like this. You can also do it by scale tool. You need to 50 blocks by hand. If you don't have scale tool, then you do like this, 50 blocks. I have scale tool, so I will do it quickly. This is the use of scale tool. You can build stuff quickly. So okay, I will just build my thing. Okay, 50 blocks. Currently, this is 50 blocks. Okay. Also, make sure to anchor block is off. That's a bit. See, anchor block should be off. And if it didn't, then you need to take your property tool, select all, anchor is equal to off, and then go then off the anchor block, and then continue the build with me. Okay, once you did this, you can color it whatever you want. No need to color this. This won't break the mechanism if you didn't. But okay, so now you need to take another old wheel and then place it like this at the half. Half of the block should be covered with this old wheel. Okay, then take another plastic block, place it at the top of the wheel like here. What we did here. Then count place 4 blocks here. Wait, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to place 5 blocks here. We already placed 1, so another 4 blocks, and then place 2 blocks here. Then take your portal. You need 2 portals for this portal, and then place it right here. Then the first mechanism is done. Now take your property tool, then select all, and then turn off collision. then we won't mess it up. Okay, now we need to build the second part. So now take a pole here and then place it right here, and then take a whatever block you want. I will choose plastic block because it's the most blocks I have, and then you can use scale tool or you can do it by hand. Use how many blocks you want. Here I am doing this because I don't know. Then take your jets and then place them here. One. I should buy the jetpack because I don't. These are maybe enough or I don't know. Okay. Place your jets right like this, and then place a chair, a pilot seat right here. Then take another portal and place them here. Place it here, and then that's basically it. You can color this thing whatever you want. Again, I will color this blue. I don't know why I colored this, but okay, no problem. It looks ugly, and I will. This is optional, guys. No need to color. But if you want your build to look cool, then you can color. Now take your binding tool and then select these two wheels. Then click on the pilot seat. Then it will disconnect. Okay, as you can see, it disconnected. These two, and then take out your switch. And place it right here. It should connect. As you can see, it connected. Now select all and set the torque to full. And then now and again select this thing using the property tool, and then set the speed to 50. Okay, now again select this thing and set the speed to 5, because this will spin slow and this will spin fast. I don't know how to explain, but yeah, hope you understand. Now once you build this, now click menu and save the build. I will save it right here. Once you save it, then it's time to set it up. Now go. Okay, these are connected. Now go here, sit here, then remove this block. It should fall down. Yes, if you did it properly, it should fall down like this. Then click F or anything and go and take out your property tool and select it. Before it touches the black line, you need to anchor it. Okay, before it touches the black line, anchor. Okay, understand? Now turn off your jets. Remove those jets. No need. Now remove this. Done. I don't know why this happened, but yeah, it happened. So no problem. Now it's just time for being AFK. Click this. It should wobble a bit, but that's a sign that you did it properly. Now just reset and be AFK. It will take you there. See, it will take you here, and if you touch the backline, you will get the gold. You just need to be AFK. Nothing. That's it. If you want to stop it, then go on, turn off the switch. And if you want to use it again, if you love the game and if you want to use it again, then load the build right here. No need to launch this build. Just turning on being AFK. And make sure to subscribe and check out my new merch, guys. And join my group. And I'll see you in the next one.